Hi, my name is Ankush Rekha Arun Sharma, and today's my topic is core Java. And now I'm gonna tell you about the features of Java. Today's date is 19 March 24. So the features of Java. There are several features of Java. The first one is it is a very simple language. Java is a very simple language. Simple language. It means Java does not contain, like, they have removed the syntax, like they have removed operator overloading from this language. It is same as like C and C++, and this is why it is very simple and very easy to learn language. And next feature is, the second feature is object oriented programming language. So what is it? It means without object and without class you cannot make any programs. It is an object oriented programming language because if you having a class, if you are making a class, then after that you have to make the object. This is the layers, like first come class, then after that comes object. So if you having an object, then only you can code then only you can type the code, and you can create a program. Or if you are having not class, it is fully object programming language. If you are having an object, then only you can write the code and run that program. Third one is platform independence. The third feature is platform independence. Then what does it mean by? So platform independence, it means Java programming language. Java programs can run on any devices or any operating systems which has JVM installed. So what is the JVM? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It is a kind of software which is run the code and convert into the machine code. Like Java, first we whatever we write, that called source code. That source code goes to the JVM. Then JVM converts into the low level language, and then JVM sends it to the machine code. Then after that, like we can talk human by Hindi, Marathi. This is our language. So this is how there is a language of computer which is called binary. So computer cannot understand our language. Computer cannot understand Hindi, cannot understand Marathi. It has separate language, which is C, C++, Linux, Java. So I'm talking about Java. So platform independence means Java programs can run on any device or any operating systems which has JVM installed. Fourth one is multi-threading. So what is the multi-threading? Multi-threading means you can type or you can run multitasking. You can do multitask, like you can make several of codes at the same time, and that's why it's a multi-threading. Multi-threading is equal to multitasking in my language. So after that, and the next feature is community support. So what is the community support? Community support, it means Java has a large number of active developers, contributors and users who creating who sharing their knowledge, their contribute to improve this language and its ecosystem. So all users and all contributors and all developers are sharing their knowledge. They are sharing their everything to improve this language and improve this language ecosystem. And the next feature is robust. Robust, also known as garbage collector. So what is the garbage collector? Garbage collector means whatever you are writing, whatever you are coding, if there is unusable data, so that data which is useless, that collect to the garbage collector, so that your memory gets free. And this is also called robust. Robust means exceptional data, useless data stores into it, and after that so yeah, this all are the few features of Java, and I hope I clarify the features of Java. This was my topic for today, and yeah, thank you.